Hello friends! I'm going to read a story with my pal Pete the Cat today, and we're going to read a story that he is in called Pete the Cat Saves Christmas. There's a picture on the inside cover. Pete the Cat Saves Christmas. "'Twas the day before Christmas, and Santa was ill. In the cold winter wind he had caught a bad chill. Will Christmas be canceled? Will it come to that? Never," cried Santa. "Let's call Pete the Cat." Santa asked Pete to deliver the toys to all the good girls and to all the good boys. "I'll do it," said Pete, "and although I am small, at Christmas we give, so I'll give it up my all. Give it your all, give it your all, at Christmas we give, so give it your all." Pete jumped in his minibus and started to roll. First stop, the North Pole. Road trip. The reindeer were waiting to give Pete a tow, so he packed up the presents and told them to go. Then the minibus flew, just like in a movie. Pete the Cat cried, "This is totally groovy." "I can do it," said Pete, "and although I am small, at Christmas we give, so I'll give it my all. Give it your all, give it your all, at Christmas we give, so give it your all." As the children were sleeping all snug in their beds, Pete and his reindeer appeared overhead. Santa's list was so big, and Pete felt so small. But at Christmas we give, so he gave it his all. Give it your all, give it your all, at Christmas we give, so give it your all. Look at that long list. All those kids' names on there. At the very last minute, they reached the last house. Pete dashed in and out just as quiet as a mouse. Then, right at the break of the new Christmas day, Pete and his reindeer were flying away. Back at the North Pole, old Santa was waiting. The elves and the townsfolk were all celebrating. Santa was dressed in his red coat and hat and cried, "Hip, hip, hooray for our friend Pete the Cat." "I did it," said Pete, "and although I am small, in the spirit of Christmas I gave it my all. Give it your all, give it your all, at Christmas we give, so give it your all." And that's the end. I hope you liked that story with Pete the Cat. Did you like your story, Pete? All right. Well, we'll see you later, Pete. Wave goodbye to our friends. Thank you. Have a good day.